Hi everyone, who's still awake? I'm just running this X-Men 125 for Tyler. Let's go down and get a stamp. Time is 9:53 on the 3rd of August. 9:53 on the 3rd of August here in Perth, WA. Let's see the list. 82, we got Michael up to spot number 1, which is Dak. I've put that in, spot number 1, Dak. Down to spot number 82, Michael. Double check that, 82. Yep. Let's roll the dice 3 times. Whoa, small one. 2, 4, 5. Alright, nice and quick. Good luck, everybody. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 times. Dice roll is 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the final roll. Good luck, everyone. Contact Tyler when the winner sees this. Alright, so we've got that list 5 times. Go up here and see who's in the top spots. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Michael with one of my lucky numbers, number 4. Congrats, mate. Let Tyler know when you've seen it 5 times. 2, 3, 4, 5. Timestamp 9:55, and we got 9:55. Thanks everybody. I'll leave it on this screen while I shut it down.